Chef Yemi the cook. How has your week been? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Today I am going to be making plantain akara, which is a plantain ball. You know, this is another version still on my plantain series. What do we need for plantain akara? We need plantains. They are the main ingredient. These are the green and the yellow. You can use green plantain or yellow plantain, which is a ripe one. So this is just getting to ripe. It's not ripe properly. And I'm using the green plantain. Why am I using the green plantain? For the akara or the moi moi, it's more starchy. When it gets this type, when it's yellow, it's then more sugary and the starch content is lower. And for you to get that shape, that molding for the akara and the moi moi, you need to use the green plantain. But in my house we like sweet, so that's why I'm adding this, which is optional. Yellow one. What am I needing? Basically, you need your oil, you need your cayenne pepper to your taste, chicken bouillon seasoning, a spoon to your taste. This is always to your taste, and salt to your taste. The only thing you need here is salt to your taste. You need a kind of pepper, and I'm using the bell pepper, the habanero pepper, onion, scallion, which I've chopped here for this, and salt to your taste, and the oil. So let me start this recipe. If you have not liked my channel, if you are not following me yet, please, what are you waiting for? Like, subscribe, follow, and press the notification bell. Thank you for being with me. So I've chopped all the plantains for the moi moi and the akara, and I have the onions and the pepper in here. I'm going to take it to the blender. Inside the plantain, the green plantain, I've blended it, and that's it. I'm preparing for the moi moi and the akara. So I'm putting my scallion and my pepper. That's optional. I have my 1.5 spoon of chicken bouillon. I want to mix it, and I'm going to take some of it for the akara, and I need to put some salt in it. So I'm going to put a teaspoon of salt. Don't forget to taste your food. Everything is optional except for the salt. Okay. So now I have mixed my akara mixture. You see me salt them and add the condiments. Now I'm getting ready to fry them. For you to fry them, you need the oil on the stove, which I have started. The akara has to be done with medium to high heat. If the oil is too hot, the akara burns. If it's too low, the akara gets soggy. So here I am trying to test the oil to see if it's okay. That's why I put this little bit of the mixture in it, and it's okay. Now let's fry the akara. So for each side of the akara, you want to give it a minute, 2 minutes, and you have depending on the size of the akara, which is what I am doing right now. So I am making the green plantain akara or green plantain fritters. So I'm filling the frying pan up with the akara mixture. So I'm going to wait for a minute to turn it. Now it's a minute. Turn your akara. Akara must be timed. If you take your eye off it, then the akara will get burnt. So now akara is almost done. Now it's done, and I'm taking out of the oil right now. So I have my plates with paper towel down so that the oil from the akara can be dredged. So this is what you see me doing. So now my akara is done. So let's go to the table and let me plate this akara and show you what it looks like. Akara can be paired with anything: custard, gari, oatmeal, and it can be eaten with bread, and it can be eaten by itself, and you can just eat it with a sauce. Akara is just a savory Nigerian snack that we eat in the evening, morning, any time of the day we eat akara. And don't forget, the nutritious part of it is like, this is packed with iron. This is green plantain. It's very, very healthy. Now the akara is done. I have plated my akara sauce to make it look good. So let's eat it. I can't wait to taste some of this. I just made a little bit. My family is ready to dig in. And it's not too much this time, so we have to eat it while it's hot. I just want to take this minute to say thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you are new, thank you for watching and for subscribing. And for the old subscriber, I just want to say thank you very much. God bless you. And please don't forget, if you like my content, share, follow, interact, and press the notification bell. Please don't forget, follow me on my social media. This is Yemiz. Thank you for being with me today. Don't forget, choose to be happy. Happiness is a choice. Love you always. Yemiz. Have a good week.